Welcome to the moment when speed stopped being measured in seconds and started being measured in dimensions. This is the 2026 Bugatti Spectre-X Metallic Chrome Edition, a machine that doesn't just move through time, it manipulates it. Born not from evolution but from obsession, the Spectre-X isn't a car you drive, it's a portal you command. From the outside, it looks unreal. That liquid chrome bodywork captures every photon around it, bending reflections like fluid glass. Sunlight doesn't hit it, it slides across it in ribbons of silver fire. Every contour feels alive, reshaping the world in its mirrored skin. Bugatti's designers didn't chase aerodynamics, they chased aero mastery, carving panels that breathe and flex like living metal. The Spectre-X doesn't slice through air, it hypnotizes it. Beneath that shimmering armor lies the world's first quantum-stabilized hyperdrive. Twin E-compressors feed a hybridized 10.0-liter W16 core paired with superconductive plasma coils, producing over 2,100 horsepower with zero hesitation. 0 to 60 miles per hour? 1.3 seconds. Top speed. Unmeasurable because even radar loses track. But this isn't another horsepower contest. The Spectre-X changes how motion feels. When you launch it, gravity bends in surrender. The metallic surface fractures the sunlight into 1,000 spectrums as the car rockets forward, a chrome comet tearing through reality. You don't hear an engine. You hear space folding. Bugatti calls it temporal thrust, a predictive propulsion system that reads trajectory 1.8 seconds ahead, bending torque delivery before you react. It's not response, it's premonition. You don't drive the future. You arrive there early. Inside, time slows. The cockpit glows with cold silver light reflecting softly from every polished surface. Seats are woven from liquid titanium thread, pulsing faintly with your heartbeat. Transparent hollow displays float in mid-air, refracting off the chrome interior like starlight caught in glass. There are no buttons, only gestures, thoughts, intent. Bugatti calls it the neural symmetry interface. The car reads you, not your commands. You touch ignition. The cabin flickers blue, reflections dance across every curve, and the metallic body outside begins to hum. It's not starting, it's awakening. The moment you press the accelerator, the world around you warps. Asphalt liquefies into streaks of silver. Buildings ripple in your reflection. The chrome body turns into a living mirror that drags light itself behind it. From the outside, the Spectre-X doesn't accelerate, it phases. One instant it's there. The next, only a shockwave of blue light and molten reflections remain. Sound melts into vibration. The tires glow cobalt from magnetic lift, leaving faint neon trails on the road. Bugatti didn't build the Spectre-X to be the fastest. They built it to be unbelievable. While the world turned silent with EV minimalism, Bugatti rebelled. They gave metal its voice back. Every surface of the metallic chrome edition is alive. Its NanoMorph carbon chrome weave reshapes airflow in real time, the panels flexing microscopically to manage drag and temperature. It breathes like a machine with lungs of light. You don't adapt to it, it adapts to you. Every drive it learns, every heartbeat it evolves. Inside, only one glowing line pulses across the dash. Time, yours. Because that's what this car gives. Not range, not distance, but moments. Moments stretched, stolen, and multiplied. Park it under city neon and the metallic chrome edition transforms into liquid lightning. Reflections of signs, skylines, and traffic ripple endlessly across its surface, as if the car contains the whole world inside its body. Even standing still, it radiates motion. Its AI core, AURION, never truly sleeps. It watches the world shimmer on its shell, learning from the light. When you return, the doors open with a whisper that sounds eerily human. Welcome back, pilot. The steering wheel, liquid-cooled carbon wrapped in oxygenated silver leather, beats softly with your pulse. Instead of speed, the dash displays chronometric drift, showing how far ahead of real time you've traveled. At 250 miles per hour, you're already 0.03 seconds into the future. Each tire is embedded with 4D microsensors analyzing pressure, temperature, and magnetic balance 1,000 times per second. The adaptive suspension liquefies at high speed, stiffens mid-corner, and even glows faintly under stress, a dance of molten silver. You don't drive on roads anymore. You rewrite them. Yet beneath the quantum tech lies Bugatti's eternal soul. The craftsmanship is poetry in metal. Chrome filigree lines trace the dashboard like veins of mercury. The engine bay, visible through a crystalline rear panel, pulses with blue plasma veins. It's art forged in thunder. Sustainability, it breathes it. The Spectre-X's quantum phase batteries harvest ambient heat and motion, recycling the world's wasted energy into thrust. When idling, it emits nothing but a faint glow, the signature of zero-emission power disguised as lightning. When it passes, air itself shimmers, a distortion of reality following in silence. People don't just watch, they stare, uncertain if they witness something mechanical or mythical. The cost of bending time? $4.8 million. But truthfully, you don't buy a Spectre-X. It chooses you. Each one is biometrically bound to its owner. DNA, heartbeat, neural pattern. No one else can start it, command it, or even unlock it. It's not just exclusive, it's alive, and it knows who it belongs to. Because this isn't transportation. It's transcendence. Bugatti built it to remind humanity that innovation isn't about silence. It's about sensation. That progress shouldn't erase emotion. It should amplify it. And when you finally bring the Spectre-X Metallic Chrome Edition to rest, silence doesn't follow. The world simply takes a moment to catch up. The 2026 Bugatti Spectre-X Metallic Chrome Edition, where speed is obsolete, time is optional, and every reflection hides the future.